Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to OOU Built Environment YouTube channel. Thank you for visiting OOU. Today I will model for this amazing architecture, a new typology, a new oven window, new icon for Singapore, Marina based SANDS 5-star hotel and integrated resort in Revit. Alright, without further ado, let's start. Firstly, I need to, based on this image, I need to prepare some footprints and outline data in the AutoCAD. For this project, I need to create Hotel Tower 1, Hotel Tower 2, and Hotel Tower 3. And on the above floor level 57, I need to create for the sky deck and mega swimming pool. And this will be technical data, some elevation, and cross section. Alright, I'm now in the Revit application. I need to create new project using architectural template. First, I need to go to architecture, manage tab, and I need to attach my AutoCAD drawing into the project. For creating tower block, I will use margin. After that, on the margin, I will cut away white form for this particular element at the side. And these are the some project information. Who are the architect, who are the main contractors, and for this modeling I need to create for the margin and placing cap shape, incline structural walls. Alright, let me consider for floor level to floor level height based on 207 meters for total and divided into 57 minus 1, 56, 3.7 meter floor to floor height. So I need to select this level 1 and I copy above array using array, and in this array I will import number of level for 57. So I have total 57 floor levels. Level will be 208 meters, and I need to select all floor level data and ungroup it, and I need to start from level 1 to level 57 and create the floors. So we have all 57 floors in the project browser. For the mask, I need to create a reference plane and place here and here and align with this tower 1 face and move back and set the plane, the name as tower 1 north south, and go to architecture, margin and side, show mask, create a mask. The mask name will be mask T1. Okay, then I will activate to the level 1 and set the working plane as level 1 to create the bottom of the mask, I need to use my big line with the tower 1 boundary, trim for the geometries. Then I need to activate to top level, level 57. So I need to set working plane to level 57. I need to pick this boundary and top will be here. Then I need to trim for the geometry. And go to 3D. And I have top and bottom profile. So I select these two profiles, create a solid form. After that, I need to trim for this shape from the solid mask. And also, the other surface, I need to trim it for this shape. Cut away. So go to level 1 with this and this 4 corner and PR for trim. Okay, now I have a profile on the level 1. This profile I need to copy to the above level, level 57. Paste here. So I have two profile. And I need to move this bottom profile to the outside location. And in the 3D, these two profile to select and create a white form. And I need to create for the another white position. So go to level 0. I need to pick this and inner surface here, and need to trim for the close boundary. And I need to select this geometry from the level 1. Need to copy to the above level 57. Copy, paste to the designated level at the level 57. Then OK. Top profile I need to bring out flush to the outer surface of the tower 1. And select these two profiles and create a white form. Okay, this time need to cut for the curve shape margin form. And I need to place here for the section align to the tower 1 surface and bring back a bit. This will be tower 1 mask elevation. And select the mask and edit the mask. Make sure working plane will be tower 1 north south. Use curve tool, place on here, and roughly set here, and connect with the line, place here, and vertical up, and line again. Select the end point here, and place here, and then trim the lines. And go to 3D, select this profile, and create a white form. and I need to cut manually. So here, I have cut from the solid mask. Go to 3D and select this profile, create its white form. Alright, now tower 1 mask totally complete. Now in this pictures, I have already removed away this area from the mask. So I have complete this tower 1 mask, and shape will be something like this, and here. Now I have complete for the tower 1 mask form. Save the file. Name will be MBS, Marina based SANDS. And I need to borrow this section line for creating another tower 2 masking form. Place here, align it, and move back, and create a reference plane, and align it to this tower 2 surface, and assign the name as tower 2 north south. And I need to repeat for the same as tower 1 masking creation, same pattern, only different in sizes. I will speed up for creation of tower 2 and tower 3 masking form. Alright, I have totally complete for 3 tower hotel masking. Finish the mask. Next step, I need to create for the slanted structural cup shaped walls, front and back of the hotel towers. These are structural cup shaped slender wall, and some construction diagram. Level 57 floor plan. This will be structural supporting members. I will create for this slender wall. And this slender wall structural member I will create in external family. After family is created, log into back to the Revit project and proceed for the model creation. These are structural diagram for during construction for stabilize the structural members. According to this image, I need to create for the 5 panels, so 6 grid lines to be created. I need to create custom grid line. So type RP for reference plane and align with this tower face. And the reference plane given name will be 1. And I need to copy this reference plane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And I need to adjust for the span width. So DI for dimension. All grid line to be measured and then make it equal. And one of the span I need to make dimension change to 10.2 meters. So the last span will be about 6 meters. Alright, first I need to select this mask to edit. And select the one surface and divide the grid. The grid I am unable to use it, so I need to adjust for the grid spacing. And select intersection list to be used. Just now I created grid line number 1 to 8 to be selected. And OK. Alright, I have created custom grids on the surface. Alright, for creation of the curved shape slender walls structural member, I need to create a curve link each other front and back. This structure will be concrete structure and steel member composite together. Let's create additional external families using Matrix General Model Adaptive Family Templates. Open. I need 3 points for the families. So I need to place a point, 3 points here on the plan. And select these all 3 points. Make adaptive points. And select these 3 points and connect with the supply. Make reference line. And I need to select a point, place on the face of the line. For the concrete slanted curved member walls, I need to create for the rectangular profile. And select this point, set a working plane. I need to create slanted concrete members for the rectangular shape profile. Select vertical reference plane using rectangular shape. Place on here. Select this dimension. Make new parameter, W for the width. Consider type parameters. And also this, D for thickness. Consider type parameter as well. And select these all and move to the point on the curve. And select again this rectangular shape profile including this point. CC for another copy, place here. And select this point. Place the new host on the curve. And select this profile. Make reference line. Alright, let's have a test for the parameter is working or not. and select this point. I need to place on the end of the curve on the adaptive points. So I make normalized curve parameters. I need to place a 1 and another one will be 0. So these two profile placed on the end of the curve, and select these all profile including path and create a form, and select this and create materials such as concrete walls. And say the family, and this family need to load into the project for the slanted curve wall. I need to place on the 3D elevation. The family I'm able to place on the surface. So I need to select this surface, turn on the node. So the family I can place on the node. Okay, let's place our loaded family. Type CM for components. Place on here, and first point, second point, and third point. Alright, I have placed a slanted curve shape concrete structure wall, but orientation different. I need to place inside, so I need to modify a family. I need to place additional parameters. Select this point. Here will be, I need to place a rotation. So create a new parameter, rotation, and consider type parameters. Then OK. OK. Also another end, I need to create same parameters for the rotation. Then OK. And I need to save and load again back to the project. Overwrite it, and type CM for placing component. Place on node, first point, second point, and that will be at the bottom. Place here, and select this component and then repeat it. And this one I select it, unnecessary, delete it. And I need to place manually at the first grid line. And I need to place also on the grid line 8 slanted adaptive family. Place from here. And I need to select one of them and go to family type, modify the rotation angle to 180 degrees, then apply it. OK. So the structure family member will be rotated to the inside. And according to this image, I have measured the wall width will be about 12 meters to 40 meters. So select one of them, adjust parameter, width will be, I will place it 12.5 meters, and thickness will be 900 mm. I think too thick, 0.8 meters. So I have placed it inclined cup shaped structural walls on the tower 1 surface, and the mass. And also I need to create for the opposite surface of the tower 1. Select the mask, edit the mask, select this surface and divide the grid same as previous surface, and input for the grid numbers, and using intersection list same as previous, I will use on the grid line 1 to 8. Place a grid, then OK, and select this surface down on the nodes for placing component family, and place on the node 1, 2, and 3, and select this component, repeat them, and unnecessary this, select and delete it. And lastly, I need to place manually incline position, cup shape family, slender wall. Alright, complete for that tower 1 slanted structural wall. Type BB or PG, done on the mask for testing. So I have structural cup wall member on the tower 1. Type BB or PG again, done on the mask again, back, then OK. After tower 1 complete, I will continue for the tower 2 and 3 structural incline cup shape walls. And look at under this image, I need to create this panel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5 panels. Same procedure to apply it. Create a reference plane, align with this, and give a name for the grid line 2, 1, and copy to the another grid 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8, and I will speed it up for the creation. Alright, I have totally complete for 3 units hotel tower structural concrete walls. According to this image, I have created model for same as construction procedure. And let me bring back for the full height for the model. And select one of the concrete member, assign material to cast in situ concrete. Then end the mask, finish the mask. Next step, I need to create for the architectural floor. So select all 3 masks and create the mask from level 3 to level 57. Then OK, and go to architecture, floor, select by face, and I will use this concrete floor type and duplicate it. Name will be 300 mm thick concrete slab, and rename to MBS, and OK. Go to structure, edit the structure 300 mm thick. This I don't need, delete it, then OK, and I will use this floor type and select all of the floor, create the floors, and now created the floor with the thickness. Alright, now I have complete modeling for the MBS hotel tower incline, crab shaped structural wall and floors. Marina Bay Sands, Singapore, amazing architecture and structural component modeling for now. Let me continue in part 2. Thank you for visiting OOU and see you in next model creation of the part 2 Marina Bay Sand model creation. See you again. Bye bye.